Okay, let's style this departs group in our style.css. So find your style.css, and after this here, and class departs that group, and under that we have a paragraph. So let's style this paragraph. So text align center, and font size 30 pixel, 30 pixel, and color, text color, number sign or pound sign 000 black color, and border bottom will be 1 pixel solid, and it will be black, and border top 1 pixel, 1 pixel solid, also 000, which is black. Margin top minus 13 pixel. So, okay, let's check in browser. So it's look like this. Okay. Okay, let's come to our index and style play with the color that we are accessing from our data. Color models, where colors, common file. Okay. And where is f1 tag? Here. Okay, we will create our PHP. And we will create a variable class, and class will be class will be auth currently logged in user, and we will access its company ID, company underscore ID. So in our database, where is the user table, users, and the company ID. See, this is null. So when we have activated this company ID, so we will access this. If this company ID is equal to the company ID that we are accessing from our company's table. So if company's table is the company ID in a user table of our database, so if it is true, so if it is, so we use a ternary operator, and we will give a string. So if this condition become true, and we will give a one condition, show this string, otherwise show this string. Okay, and in this string we want to say bg and bg, and here we will use a single blade syntax, and we show colors, colors. Okay, and if it is not, so only just give the it will give the background color. If company is selected is this company, so it will give this background color. So that we are accessing from our common file. These are the colors, and here we are giving set it into our colors folder variable, and in the colors variable we are passing through our view. Okay, then make the class bg border, border and single blade, a colors variable. Okay, and close this statement. And before, let's create an other PHP syntax script, sorry, PHP, and we will create a variable I, and we will instantiate this variable as 0 value, and close this. Okay, and here we will give an array, and we will pass our I that we have created above and instantiate the value 0. So $I. So this variable is now color is index 0 because we are getting an array from our company's controller, this one. So all the color, so if I go to here, so at 0 index is the blue color, at 1 index is yellow, 2 red, 3 4. So these are this is an array. So we are passing an array of colors, and when we are iterating this getting this color array, so we have to give the index number with that. So default we have set 0. So when the iteration of this for each will run, so at one run it will become 0, and the second run it will become 1. At 1 its color will be yellow, and when the second end of for each, so it will become a 3. So and so far. Okay, hope so this make understanding clear for you. Okay, bg color an array I, and okay, and bg color array I. Okay, and now let's give this in we have a departs group, and now let's give an other class that we have in this variable class, variable that we have created with name class. Okay, now it will become its class. So class will become bg background red, or background green or blue, border color red, green, yellow, and in our style, so we have bg with the class name this, and it will make the colors. And okay, just pass a class variable. So we have passed our variable in a div with class. Okay, save it, and let's check our the list of refresh. So see, we have a now border color, so uh, below. So why it is all this one is also below and this one is also below? Because there is no company ID in our database. So here is company ID is null, and we'll let me create one. Okay, so let's check if it change the colors. So it's now the company ID is 1, so that's why it's changed the background color. Okay, why it is not iterating? So it is not iterating, so because we have not closed the I statement. We have to uh, stop the I and count with the out. Okay, how we can do it? Let's come to here and create a script PHP and close that script. So if I is equal to count and count the colors. So it will count the colors, and when it counts, so give a -1, and so $I mm, is equal to -1, I is equal to count colors, give -1 from color array, and also from I is equal to -1, and iterate this I plus plus. Okay, I will explain it shortly. Let's check it first. Refresh. So see, now the color is changed. Okay, so what it is? So we have an array in a common with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 0 to 9 indexes. So when the index of colors, so where it is? So when the index of color, it will count, and it will -1 from the colors index, and also instantiate the I is equal to -1. So when it goes to a -1, so I will become -1, and we will increment the I as well. So the first one is I is 0, so it will show it, and when it is show, so I become +1, and the second iteration will be run, so I will become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So until unless when it is indexing a 10 value, so in the same way, so we are giving an I is equal to this value. So we are checking if this condition become true, so and start from 0. You remember? So suppose here our we have two indexes. So when it goes to a 9 index, suppose there is 9 companies, and now the color, what will be the color of the 10th index? So there is no color in our array that we have in a common. So we have only 9 indexes. So how we can change the color of the 10th index when the company, if there is a 10th company, and how we can change? So we can change it only by giving this. If the count colors -1, this become condition true. So when it comes to 0, to make it I to -1, and then it will increment the I, and I will be become from again from 0 to onward. So see, and it will start after 9 index. The 10th index will also start from 0, and at a 0, the color of at a 0 index will be below. So in a company that having index 10th, its color will be again below, sky blue, and the 11th company will be, its color will be yellow again. So this make a sense. So I hope so you have understand this point. Okay. So maximum task in our index is we have achieved. Okay, now in the next video we will play with our with checks that were required. So I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.